backyard wildlife. Wolves. Wolves are a kind of wild dogs. Wolves are mammals. Wolves have thick fur and bushy tails. They stay warm in cold weather. Wolves live in forests, grasslands, and tundras. They stay away from cities and people. Most wolves live in groups called packs. A pack has between 4 and 10 wolves. One male wolf and one female wolf laid a pack. They are called the alpha pair. The pack has a territory. The wolves mark it with their scent. A wolf pack hunts together. The wolves chase their prey until it gets tired. Wolves hunt deer, moose, elk, and other animals. Old wolves work together to teach young wolves how to hunt. Wolves howl to talk to each other when they hunt. Ow!